What's up guys, and welcome back. So today I've got a great new update for you guys. So Mobdro finally has an update to it, and this is by the SANTOS repo, which is the IK add-on guys. So let's get down to actually installing it. As you see guys, we've got Mobdro at the bottom here. So we're going to click on Mobdro, and let's try channels guys. Let's try a couple to show you how it actually works. Let's try Cartoon Network. Check this out guys, it works instantly and it works flawlessly. One click play. So Mobdro is working finally with the new update. So guys, I've tested quite a few of these channels and they work quite well. So it's a great update for you guys. However guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab. Guys, this is going to be a quick video, nothing too drastic. As you see, it works quite fast and it works flawlessly as well. It's a great update and I hope you guys appreciate this. So guys, please also leave your comments down below to basically help improve my channel. So I'll show you one more and then we're going to get down to installing this. There we have it guys, it works flawlessly and it's in HD quality as well. I'm going to stop it there and let's get to installing this guys. So firstly, you're going to need to actually download the repository, which I will leave in the link down below. Once you've downloaded this to your PC, if you have a Fire Stick, you're going to need to actually go directly to the link and download directly from my Dropbox account. So guys, once you've downloaded the link, you're going to click on add-ons. You're going to click on the box in the top left corner and you're going to click install from zip file. You're going to select your C drive, which I'm using a PC, so it's much easier. You're going to click on users. We're going to go to downloads, and there we have it guys, repository.santos. This is a new update guys for July and it works brilliantly. As you see, add-on updated. Once that's done, you're going to click on install from repository. You're going to go to the IK add-on. You're going to click on that, and you're going to, at the top you've got IK, so you're going to click on that once more, and where mine says uninstalled, yours should say install. You'll click install, it'll start to install the dependencies and all the scripts. Once installed, you'll click open, and guys, you've got it here. So it works flawlessly. All the channels so far that I've tried, everything works, including sport. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. So guys, that's it for today. I will be bringing a new upload later on. I hope you guys like my content. However, please hit that subscribe tab down below. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget the link will be in the description down below.